The ZONESUN ZS-AFC9B is a high-precision automatic perfume filling and capping machine designed for seamless integration into cosmetic and fragrance production lines. Equipped with 6 synchronized pneumatic filling nozzles, a vibratory bowl sorting system, and a dual-function capping and crimping station, it delivers consistent performance at speeds of 25 to 35 bottles per minute, 1500 to 2100 bph. With support for multiple bottle shapes and cap types, this system is ideal for scalable, hygienic, and efficient packaging of perfumes, essential oils, and cosmetic liquids.